Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I will show you how to uninstall any program and completely remove its leftover files from your Windows PC. If you are having trouble uninstalling an application, this method can help with that too. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for iObit uninstaller. Open the official iObit website. You will find the download link in the video description. Click the free download button. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder. Then double click the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click yes. Wait for it to prepare. Untick any recommended iObit software offers. Now click install. At this stage, don't click anywhere. Select skip this. After that, select no thanks. Finally, click finish. Once the installation is complete, launch the program. You will now see a list of all the installed applications on your PC. Find the program you want to remove. You can also select multiple programs if you want to uninstall several applications at once. Just tick the checkbox next to each program you want to remove. Then click the uninstall button or the trash icon. Before the uninstall begins, you will see a couple of useful options. Check automatically remove residual files. This will automatically scan for and delete leftover files, folders and registry entries after the program is removed. Now click uninstall. Wait while the built-in uninstaller removes the program. Once the process is complete, the selected program and all of its leftover files will be completely removed from your computer. You can also uninstall Microsoft Store apps. Just navigate to the Windows Apps tab. Then follow the same steps as before. iObit Uninstaller also includes several additional tools that can help keep your PC clean. The Software Health section helps you remove installation leftovers, update outdated software, clean installation files, and fix uninstall issues. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled a program and completely removed all of its leftover files from your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tutorials.